Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Very friend. Today in this video I will show you how you can make your Android mobile phone black and white. So if you are not like colorful mobile phone, then you can make your mobile phone black and white. And here first of all I will show you. Here you can see I am using Android version 11. Android version 11 for making this video. So if you want to make this mobile phone black and white, then what you have to do, you have to click on this drop down window, and inside here you will get eye comfort option is here. Just click long press on this eye comfort option. After that this setting will open, and click on this black and white. Here you can see black and white is written here at the bottom. Just click on this black and white. Your mobile phone will become black and white. If you want to revert back to colorful your mobile phone, then click on this color. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.